Welcome back to another video. On this video we gonna learn about the pandemic COVID-19. So sit back and relax, we'll teach you a lot. In December 2019, China notified the World Health Organization about several cases of human respiratory illness. It then spread quickly across the globe in the first months of 2020. The outbreak was declared a global pandemic by the World Health Organization on 11th March. This is when an infectious disease is passing easily from person to person in many parts of the world at the same time. The World Health Organization has warned that the pandemic is a long way from being over and said it is particularly concerned about raising cases in low and middle income countries. The true number of cases is thought to be much higher than the reported figures, as many of those with milder symptoms have not been tested and counted. Globally, at least 4.5 billion people, half the world's population, have been living under social distancing measures, according to the AFP news agency's estimates. The United Nations World Food Programme has also warned that the pandemic could almost double the number of people suffering acute hunger. The disease spread through small droplets that are expelled from nostril or mouth when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. Therefore, standing close to someone who is infected can put you at risk. These droplets can land on your hand and be transmitted through something as simple as a handshake. If afterward you touch your eyes, nose or mouth, the so-called T-zone. The virus is known to survive in different types of surfaces, so touching these contaminated surfaces and then touching your T-zone brings a high risk of infection. The new name of this disease is Coronavirus Disease 2019, abbreviated as COVID-19. In COVID-19, CO standard for corona, V standard for virus and D standard for disease. Formerly, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus or COVID-19. As with previous global outbreaks such as swine flu, COVID-19 has gained global attention and treatment development is being accelerated. At any point you guys like what you see, make sure to hit that like button, as well as don't forget to click on subscribe and hit on that bell to get notified any future videos.